Welcome to our tutorial on how to add your phone number to your account on X, Twitter, using your PC. By adding your phone number, you can enhance the security and account recovery options for your Twitter account. Let's get started. First, click on the More button from the navigation bar. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to the Settings page where you can customize your Twitter account. Next, click on the Your Account tab and choose Account Information. This will allow you to access and manage your account details. Within the Account Information section, select Phone from the drop-down menu. This is where you'll be able to add your phone number. Click on Add Phone Number and verify your password. Make sure not to include your country code or leading 0 when entering your phone number. After verifying your password, click on Continue. Twitter will now send a verification code to your phone number via SMS text message. Once you receive the verification code, enter it in the verification code box on the screen. Then click on Activate Phone. And that's it. You've successfully added your phone number to your account on X, Twitter, using your PC. Enjoy the added security and account recovery options. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Stay connected and secure on X, Twitter.